Hey guys, so before we get into this video, I want y'all to go over to, I'm gonna put the link. Should I put it here? Here? Y'all gotta go check out my song. Y'all gotta go stream my song. Y'all gotta go play it, add it to your videos. Like, guys, support the team. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. But guys, go check out my song. And if you stay until the end of this video, you'll see a piece of my song. I'm gonna do a little performance for you if you stay to the end of the video. I love to clap. I love to clap. I love to clap. But anyway, guys, big up on yourself.
I won't make it easy for you now. 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 I won't make it easy for
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, 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 hey. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So guys, a video ago or so, I don't remember when I posted it, but we did a little translation from English to Patwa. So on this video, we're gonna name our body parts in Patwa. Now guys, I've been brushing up on my Patwa lately, and I feel like I got this. Like, I don't know about you, but I feel like I got this. So let's get it. All right, people, here we go. So I'm gonna tell you about your body parts. I'm gonna tell you about your body parts, okay? I'll be translating all the way through, okay? All right, here we go. So let's talk about the head, which is the ed. Head, right? So we're gonna talk about the eyes, the item, yai. And then etap, head top, head side, yeah, head side, yeah, head back, because them the all body parts that we Jamaicans use. Head back, head side, head front, head all about. Forehead, forehead. Forehead, not forehead, but forehead. Because we have to like over dramatic, like we overemphasize words like no other language, I do believe. Like, we overemphasize our words and we're so dramatic with it. Like, come on. When you get a hit on the forehead, it's called a conk. I'm a conk you on your forehead. I don't know, when something conky on your forehead and then you get a quoko. So I'm called the little swell, the swelling that you get on your forehead when like you bump your head or something like that. They call it a coco. So yeah, it's called a coco. Coco. Listen, don't come at me for my pronunciations, okay? So I did say this, yeah, yai. I said your yai? Yeah, I said your yai already. Your vision is normally called yai sight. So we're gonna do that. And then your eyelash. Hey. Your eyelash. Bling, eyelash. Bling, eyelash. Bling. So your eyelash is called your yai lash. Yes, people. And Jamaicans don't cry eye water. Hey, we bawl eye water. We don't cry eye water. We bawl eye water. Bawl. Because crying is too pretty. That sounds too cute. We out here bawling. We bawl eye water. Yeah, right true. Your nose. Your nose. Nozzle. So it's not nostrils. It's not nostrils, people. It's no. Yeah, nozzle. Right, true, right, true, right, true. It's not throat, a throat. Throat, people, not throat. Throat. Right there, so. So when you have like a runny nose and that, and it drips out, we call it nose knot. So when your runny nose is like dripping down, nose knot. So when it dries up and it's in there, yeah, we call that bogo. Bogo? Bogo. So nose knot and bogo. Right, true. Nose knot and bogo. Alright, so here's another thing. When you're eating something, and y'all know this because we do this all the time. When you're eating something and like you choke on it, hear the Jamaicans them. It got on the wrong throat wall.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait.
Oh my throat all you have. Oh, I've got on the wrong throat wall. And what? I don't know about you guys, but I only got one throat hole, so we can't go down the wrong one. So I don't know which people wrong throat hole. All right, you guys learned something today. Wrong throat hole. Ears. And in your ears canal is referred to as your ears hole. Yeah, your ears hole. Right through. Ears hole. And of course your mouth. And you know, sometimes when you sleep and then you get a little bit of liquid coming out of your mouth. Yeah, call that mouth water. Mouth water. Yes. And when you talk too much, Jamaicans call it chatterbox, moutamasi, my God, or you have lips. Listen, and I'm pretty sure there are other words that I don't know. Jacana. So the corners of your jaw and your cheekbones, they call it jacana. Yes. Neck. Neck. And Jamaicans have an expression like, you know, when they are in disbelief or they forget something and that they'll say, kiss my neck back. Kiss my neck back. Yeah. Hey. Now go in that part there. They call breasts or boobs titty. Breasts or boobs are known as titty. Yeah. So when your boobs, you know, after you've aged and that, and you've had, you know, over like 10 kids or something, and then your boobs start to sag and you're like about like 70 and you didn't get plastic surgery and that, and they sag, they call them slippers titty. I'm just reading what's on the paper. Yeah, slippers titty. Moving on. And Jamaicans have a saying that says, my chest plate about me. My chest plate about me. Y'all can check back in another video for that meeting. Meeting? What? Meaning. Yeah. All right, here we go. Armpit, armhole. So armpits are called armholes. So armpits, armholes. People, is it just me or it doesn't sound any different when I say it? I'm trying. Girl is trying. I am trying. Okay, I'm trying. All right. We'll soon finish, people, because I don't know how much of this I can do. All right. The next one. So let's get it together. For Jamaicans, your entire hand is a hand. So it doesn't make sense you say bicep, triceps, and any of that stuff. It's just your hand. Down here, so, hand. Yes, so, hand. The only thing is different is these are called fingers. But everything, hand. And your palm, it's called the middle layer hand. And that's kind of straightforward, middle layer hand. I don't know why we couldn't just say palm. I don't know why we have to use so many words and say the middle layer hand. But that. Stomach is tomok. Stomach, tomok. Our belly. All right. Lower abdomen. Abdomen. What?
Say
Lower abdomen is called your belly bottom. So belly bottom, that's your lower abdomen.
You're serious?
Yeah, belly bottom is your lower abdomen. I'm not say it again. Your navel is your navel or your belly button. So your navel is your navel or your belly button. Why we gotta change the words though? Like, I don't understand why we gotta change up all these words. Your umbilical cord, so you know the one that attached the baby to the sac and all that stuff in your stomach. We decided to give that a different name. Navel string. Navel string, right? True. And then butt or bottom, so your derriere is called batty, bumper, or backside, or your laffy taffy. So your derriere is called your batty, your bottom, your bumper, your backside. Anyway, moving on. People, your foot is just your foot. Your foot is just your foot. Any part of your foot is just your foot. Right up and down is just your foot. So the male organ. Then my mother really write this? The male organ, the English terminology for the male organ is the penis. The Patwa variation, cocky, wood, pem, buddy, teely, pleng, people, I'm not read that again. So if you don't want to hear what I say, I'll go rewind. I'm not read it again.
Nice.
The female organ. The English, the female organ, the English word is vagina. Patwa version, pum pum, pokey, chun chun, punani, and cat. Yeah, and cat. Our crutches. I mean, since we're translating, you know. The next one, testicles. Testicles, you know, the ball sack on the male organ. We in Jamaica, we call it seed bag, or balls.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
Seed bag or balls, yeah. So we're gonna end it off by just talking about like your physique, right? So slim, we say maga. Right size, healthy body, good eyes, yeah, you goody come true, yeah. Fat, them say fluffy, or mumpy. Let's be real, them say fluffy or mumpy. Fluffy is a now accepted terminology for women that are considered to be overweight or fat. I guess it's a sexier terminology. So they say fluffy because fluffy is like a body positivity word. It's not degrading. It's not anything like that. Fluffy. You know, so you're fluffy, you're hot, you're cute, hey, goody, yeah. And then God know, extra fat people. I'm sorry, guys. I just had to say that. Oh, what? You know what, guys? Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'm gonna have a talk with my mom right after this video. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for your support. Guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell another friend. Your girl Glow out here dropping some patois. Oh, before we go, guys, listen to my song. Yo.
Shower glow. Girl, I am mighty and I talk tough. She a miss independent, I'm gonna buy a toothbrush. Shut up your mouth, girl. Oh, shower glow. I this time for no. Me not stretch out. Me and for man things. Independent, no frightened for bling bling. House and car, me own everything. While some girl a man a put credit on them sim no. Man can't touch me for 3-piece. You're bright, boy carry that go gear knees. Number one girl in a first class. I'm me own things, tell a boy fi chuck off. Sharp glow shining with the sun. I'm me own things, a boy never give me none. Me a one girl no depend pan man. If a man a come in, I see me chin in a me hand. Man a road girl coulda never me. You sick in your head must be crazy. No boy can't play me around. Me no clown, some girl a beg man fi pay the me not stretch out. Me and fi man things. Independent, no frightened for bling bling. House and car, me own everything. While some girl a man a put credit on them sim no. Man can't touch me for 3-piece. You're bright, boy carry that go gear knees. Number one girl in a first class. I'm me own things, tell a boy fi chuck off. No man can't use car and trick me. Me no love sweet after me no pitney. Coulda never beggy. Have me own things so you know so no boy can't trip me. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell and know the video them drop like barrel. Like up the video and share. All independent ladies put your hand in a me not stretch out. Me and fi man things. Independent, no frightened for bling bling. House and car, me own everything. While some girl a man a put credit on them sim no. Man can't touch me for 3-piece. You're bright, boy carry that go gear knees. Number one girl in a first class. Have me own things, tell a boy fi chuck off.
I won't make it easy for you now. I won't make it easy for you now.